皇后煲鎖水設計 Vitalog 係精心設計嘅成果。
The special Vitalog used in Queen cookware prevents moisture from spilling out. You can also cook with just a little amount of water or even with no water at all to help lock the flavors and colors in the food.
主要原因咧係煲蓋同埋煲身以精密嘅工藝製造，造成鎖水設計 Vitalog 嘅效果。方法咧就好簡單，當煲內嘅水蒸氣冒出同埋調低火力，並且旋轉一圈，水蒸氣咧就會響煲蓋同埋煲身之間凝聚，保持食物嘅水分同埋煲內嘅溫度。
Queen cookware is made of the finest 18-8 stainless steel that promotes a fast and even heat distribution. The design helps you to maintain a constant temperature that helps you to retain the nutrition in the food. Queen cookware's effective heat distribution enables you to cook using several pans on one burner at once, saving time, energy, and freeing up space on your stove.
大大節省時間、空間同埋燃料，而上菜嘅時候咧，每一碟都仲係熱辣辣嘅。